Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a quick video on Verasity. We are going to look at Verasity quickly. We'll do a rapid analysis. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. First of all, let me congratulate you if you are a VRA hodler. You have been hodling throughout this year. There were two major dumps in the market, and if you have hodled that, you really deserve this new all-time high for VRA. So I really congratulate you, and we have just begun. So I hope you will be till the end of the ride and make maximum use of this bull market. So if we look at the VRA chart, currently we are looking at VRA 4-hour chart. I have been tweeting this since almost every day of this week that accumulate as much VRA as you can. And even yesterday before the breakout, I guess 7-8 hours before the breakout, I had tweeted that VRA is looking incredibly good on the daily chart. And we saw an amazing breakout 7-8 hours later that. So currently we are looking at a 4-hour chart. What is important is what you have to understand, that what is a pivot point? What led to this amazing pump? Then that is the flipping of this area, which is at around 0.035. You can see since 21st August, this was the first time we had come back to 0.035. We are looking at a 4-hour chart. We came back, we went down again. We again bounced very good. Again, we corrected. Just look how many times this 0.35, which was first resistance, and then it flipped as support, which was again ultimately broken. This was a deviation or a round bottom, and we ultimately broke out of it. We retested it, and now we are way above it. So this new wave that we are seeing is started from this price point. Sorry, from breaking out of this price point. Hence, this is an important price point for as long as we are holding it as support at 0.035, VRA will go much higher. For the immediate future, like for near future, I see it hitting at around 0.077. And according to the daily chart, I expect it to hit at around 0.09. This is for a very short term price action that I'm talking about. We will hit it very soon, in my opinion. What is important to observe is that look at this sell volume. This is a 4-hour candle. This, in my opinion, is the biggest candle ever on the VRA chart. This 4-hour sell volume. Look at this. And this is a sell volume. Of course, when somebody is selling, then someone is buying. And if nobody is going to sell, then buyers can't buy. So my point is the sell volume. This is incredibly, like this is the most selling happened in 4 hours. But if you look at the candle of that, just look at this. This shows that the price, this volume or this amount of VRA was eaten up like nothing. Just look at this. Price did not come down much at all. What is this candle percentage? Let us analyze, which is very important for you to understand. Such a big sell volume, the biggest ever in the 4-hour chart, and the price was only affected by 11%. VRA is a very small cap with compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum, or all the major cryptos. It is hardly $300 million. You can see this amount of sell happened, and the way market ate it like it was nothing shows how bullish we are right now. Buyers are in control, and there is more demand than supply. And I think if you are somebody who sold your VRA here thinking you will buy back way back down, I think you are in for a unpleasant surprise, in my opinion. Again, this is not a financial advice and there is no guarantee, but the kind of bullish candles that we are forming in spite of such big sell-off is extremely bullish, in my opinion. And we can see this even in the Bitcoin chart. Just look at this. The biggest ever sell volume on this chart is this 4-hour sell-off. And look at the way the market had eaten up that sell-off. Just look at this. So this to me is looking very bullish. This itself is pulling a bullish structure right now on the Bitcoin pair, even on the USDT pair. So even on the Bitcoin pair, a very identical chart to USDT, we broke out of this important zone of 7.5. So around 7.57475 satoshis, that is 7,500. So you can see it was a previous resistance here. Very clearly you can see over here. Previous resistance. Ultimately, we broke down, we flipped it into support. Just look how many times it acted as support. Again, we came down and finally we broke out, we retested, and now we have given a very strong bounce. So overall, Bitcoin chart and USDT chart of VRA, both are looking incredibly bullish, almost identical. On the short term, I expect on the Bitcoin pair also VRA to reach at least 13,756 and ultimately at 16,105 as per the daily chart. So this was a very quick update on VRA. Again, I want to congratulate all the VRA hodlers, and we have just begun. Don't miss that out. So take care, guys. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already, and support this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.